Hello everyone guys, I'm installing Vanceandhines muffler for Honda Rebel model 23T. So for all who is asking, my is the Honda Rebel 22. It's regular, so you can see the muffler is absolutely good for this bike. So you can buy it, you can install it on your bike too. Doesn't matter if it's 21 or it's 22 or it's 23, because everything is same. So now you can see how it's look. If you want to see how it's working, I'm gonna start my bike right now. You can see the different how it is here. So okay guys, now you can hear it different. You can see the difference between Vanceandhines and original, because the second bike has now original muffler. Alright, so choice is yours, what muffler to use. Good luck to you guys.